we are thinking about moving to Jetpack Compose. Should we make it a priority? Anyone?
I can take this. Maybe. Are you starting a new project? If it's a new project, definitely move to a newer tool. I think that is the best way for the future, because the whole community and industry is going to move to declarative UI. I'm quite certain of that. If it's a pre-existing project, then you would kind of have to evaluate it against the migration cost. For us, the most cost-effective way has been to, with any kind of migration, to use the same principle as you do for unit testing, saying whenever there's new code, whenever there's a bigger refactor, that's when you move something to Jetpack Compose. Other than that, you could wait until the community develops a bit more and you have more tutorials, more figured out things around performance and stability, and you can just easily jump in with lower costs.
All right. Walt, anything quick on that, or we move on?
Yeah, I mean, super quick. Anecdotally, our Android team has been aggressive, as I mentioned, and they have, and this is anecdata, so definitely don't take it for a fact, but they've told me that it's roughly about twice as fast to build UI using Compose, and obviously a lot of things are managed internally for you, and so you don't suffer from, like, if you accidentally screw up a constraint but it doesn't show up right away, but then, like, 6 months down the line, once you add this exact view on the exact place, like your entire UI goes to jank. We have less of that once we adopt there. But yeah, agree with Julius. Like, I think the new stuff that we want to transition into declarative UI is definitely probably the way to go. But on the iOS side, like, we've been thinking about trying to migrate, and it is always such a huge trade-off thinking about, okay, now we have features that work that are built well in UI kit, and now you have to kind of move it over, right? So yeah.